In the name of Allah, who the most gorgeous, the most merciful, respected teacher, honorable guides, and my dear brother and sister, both present here and those watching on YouTube, TikTok, and across social media. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Allah, all of you, for giving me valuable time and attention today. I stand before you to share deeply, emotionally, and mindfully a story that reflects reality, humanity, and the silent sacrifice of a mother. Today's topic is about a mother and elderly mother and her children. It is a story we see around us every day, yet we often ignore it. A mother who is spent her entire life raising her children with love, care, and endless sacrifice, but when she grows old, she becomes neglected. Her children become busy with success, busy with money, busy with life, but it is not for their mother. The story begins. Let me take you into the story. There was once an elder mother. Her face was full of weakness, but its wrinkle carried a story of sacrifice. Her hand trembled, but those some hands one held her children when they couldn't even walk. She had 3 sons. When they were young, she stayed awake at night. When they were sick, she fed them. Before feeding herself, she prayed for them every single day. She never complained. She never asked for anything. She only wanted one thing, her children's happiness. Since over time, but time changes everything. The sons grow up, they become educated, they become successful. One become a businessman, another government officer, and the third moved abroad. They had everything, big houses, luxury cars, respected in society, but something was missing. They had no time for their mother. The mother's silent life. The mother lived alone in a small room. Sometimes she would wait for a phone call. Sometimes she would sit near the door, hoping one of her sons might come. Days turn into weeks, we turn it into months, but no one comes. Still, she never complained. Instead, she raised her hands in prayer and said, Ya Allah, bless me children, keep them success, protect them. Even in late she gave love, even loudness she made dua, emotionally deferred thank you about it. A mother who was forgotten by her children still remembers them in her prayers. This is the power of mother's heart. This is the power of mother's heart. She doesn't hate, she doesn't curse, she doesn't take revenge, she only loves. Turning point. One day something happened. The youngest son who lived abroad faced a major failure in his business. He lost everything, money, status, confidence. He felt broken. For the first time in his life, he felt helpless. And in that moment, a pain, he remembered someone, his mother. He remembered someone, his mother. He remembered her voice, her care, her prayers, her unconditional love. Realization something very important. When the whole world loves you, your mother never does. He immediately decided to go back home. The reunion, after many years, he stood in front of his mother's door. His heart was beating fast. He knocked it slowly. The door opened. There stood his old mother, weak frankly, but her eyes were full of love. Before he could say anything, tears rolled down his face. He fell at the fire, feet and said, "Mother, forgive me. Mother, pardon me." Mother responds, "Do you know what the mother said?" She didn't complain. She didn't ask, "Why did you leave me? Why did you leave me? Why did you leave me?" She didn't say, "Where are you all these years?" She didn't say, "Where are you all these years?" Instead, she smiled and said, "My son, you come back. My son, you come back. My son, you come back. That is enough for me. That is enough for me. My son, you come back. That is enough for me." This is a mother. This is a mother. For the day the son Sanjit, he became responsible. He started taking care about this mother. He started taking care of his mother. He spent time with her. He served her with love. He realized that true success is not money or fame. True success is earning your mother's dua. Message to society. Dear listeners, this is not just a story, this is reality. How many mothers are living alone today? How many parents are waiting for a call that never comes? We are so busy building our future that we forgot the ones who built our past. In Islam, the status of a mother is very high. Jannah lies under the first of the mother. Think about that. Paradise under her feet. It we ignore her. We hurt her. We forget her. Ask yourself, when was the last time you called your mother? When was the last time you sat and talked it with her? When was the last time you made her smile? If your answer makes you uncomfortable, then it is time to change. It is time to change. Success without parents' blessing is empty. Success without parents' blessing is empty. Money cannot replace a mother's prayers. And remember, one day we will also grow old. One day we will also need love. What we give today, we will receive tomorrow. Before I end, I want to say this. If your mother is alive, you are one of the luckiest people in the world. Go to her, call her, hug her, tell her you love her. Tell her you love her, because one day you might not get that chance. May Allah bless all our parents. May Allah forgive us for our shortcoming. May Allah make us responsible and loving children. Thank you all for listening me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.